Hi, my name is Devin Merrill. I'm a Microsoft specialist. What I want to show you today is this really awesome new app that is out on the Windows 8 machines. You can also use it for phones. But one of the things we're highlighting is going to be the stylus. What's great about this is it's actually one of the Targus paintbrushes. And you can see it's got a paintbrush end here and stylus end on the other side. The bristles do hide for travel, which is really great. But one of the things I want to show you, if you're introducing Windows 8 to a new customer, there are a bunch of great demos, but one of the best ones you can do is actually this application right here called Fresh Paint. We're actually going to jump into that. What this does is it gives you a realistic canvas and art supplies that you can use right on the screen. So the new brush, we're actually just going to go ahead and we're going to start with some yellow, and we're going to go ahead and just draw a nice circle. We'll get a nice smiley face going on here real quick. And you can see I'm using the brush just like you would on a regular canvas. Everything fills in just the way you'd want it to. In order to get my panel back, I'm just going to drag down from the top real quick, and now I can change my color. So I want to get some eyes, so I'm going to pick black. And you can see now I can start painting. And one of the things you'll notice in this one, see how it starts to smear right there? It's because my yellow paint was still wet. So in order to fix that, we're going to bring down our panel and we're going to click dry right here in the corner. And now when I go back, you can see as I paint over it, everything's going to be dry and I'm not going to get any of that smear, which is really nice. So we have our awesome smiley face here. But what we can do is if we start a new picture, it's going to give us a new canvas. But let's say we want to change this. And we're going to run back to the start screen. I'm going to go into the camera and we're going to go and hit allow. And now we're just going to snap a picture real quick. I know it's silly, but now what we'll do is we'll go back and we're going to jump back into Fresh Paint and we're going to click Surface in the top. Now this is really cool because it's going to let you choose different types of canvas, different types of paper. So if you're using a pencil as opposed to a paintbrush, different background colors. What we actually want to do is click the camera and it's going to bring up all the pictures that you have. We're going to click Camera Roll and we're just going to select that one right there. I'm going to click Open, and now you can see I've got that picture as my canvas, which is really cool. But what's great about that is now I go back to Tools. That's going to bring up all my colors, and I can say, alright, well, let's go ahead and do white, and we're going to start painting over the shirt right here. And I can paint directly over the top of that picture so that you can have a background idea of what you actually want to complete when you're done, which is really nice. This is something that's great where you can say, hey, check this out. Leave the customer with it for a few minutes while the store is busy or while you have a line. It's going to keep them entertained and give them something to do. You don't have to have the paintbrush. You can absolutely just use your finger to paint all over the place. It's all touch, which is really nice. So we'll do a blue and we'll get right in here. And you can see you don't need the brush. It's just something nice that you can point out. But this is a great app to keep people entertained and busy until you can come help them, and it'll help them navigate and learn Windows 8. Very useful. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and we will see you soon.